Hello everyone, it's Zuri with Stoop Swahili. I'm here to bring you a short lesson in beginner Swahili. Today's word is kuimba. Kuimba means to sing. Kuimba, kuimba. And to put it into context, we have the sentence, the birds are singing. Ndege wanaimba. Ndege, bird or birds. Ndege. Ndege. Wanaimba, they sing. Wanaimba, wanaimba. Ndege wanaimba, the birds are singing, which they are right now. I hope you can hear them. I hope you learned something today. Be sure to tune in next time with Eavesdropping for Fun. This is Zuri with Stoop Swahili. Until next time, Kwaheri.